let's try this again. Hey, it's Grandpa Rails. This is a short video showing you the differences between the locomotives here. This is a 4-truck Shay. This is the new one I got, and it's from BLI. And it looks to be modeled similarly to Big 6, which was a 163-ton Shay. Next is a 3-truck Shay. It's an 80-ton. You can see the size difference between the two. Then you go down here to a Climax. And then the next one is a Heisler. Now, these locomotives, all 4 of these locomotives, you can find at Cass Scenic Railroad. But I just wanted to show you the difference between all the locomotives, what they look like, size-wise and whatnot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you later.